Do you know the factories of future will have only two employees, a human and a dog? A human will be there to feed the dog, and dog will be there to keep the humans away from the factory, from the equipment. And that dog will be an AI agent. Already, all top 500 companies leaders say that AI agents are their top priority. Do you know the Unilever has added 26 data sources? They will be automating a lot of their work through AI agents. Amazon already applies AI agents. All the YouTube thing, all the TikTok, they are being operated by the algorithms, by the AI agents. What is going to happen in the future? The human will no more be an operator. Basically, our role will be the role of orchestrator. We will be only orchestrating things, and you must understand this today so that you prepare yourself for the future. And I am myself putting a lot of effort to guide my students on my YouTube channel, Dr. Farooq Baloch Business and AI Research channel. Over there, I have added over 500 videos, and a lot of people are understanding this. My lot of books people are buying on Amazon are basically focused on age of AI. My two scholarly works published by IJ Global are on AI impact and management, transformative impact of AI on MIS. They basically address different aspects of the management, that how it's transforming supply chain. For instance, 70% of the world leaders recently said that their core thing is AI agents, AI bots. They will be working on their services. So a small comparison if we draw, I have been working in telecom sector from previous 15 years, and earlier when I started working in 2011, we used to have 3 to 5,000. Every company used to have almost 3 to 5,000 people guiding the customer across the different cities. But now they are reducing this load. You cannot find the human agents guiding you. Simply few apps are replacing you, and you can imagine the AI agents. They're much more advanced. They work on three dimensions. For example, earlier our operations were basically on two dimension. If X, then what should be the Y? We used to do the automation just on the workflows. Now the automation is much more stronger. It operates on three dimensions, X, Y, Z. I have already shown you the videos of KLCC in Kuala Lumpur. I visited McDonald's, and over there they have AI agents, they have robots serving the people. You have seen so many retail outlets, there is no human involved. All the work is being done by the AI agents. So the future is going to be extremely challenging for people like me who are 35 year above, or the people who are older. But young people must get excited because they will be learning these skills for the first time, and they must prepare themselves. And on my YouTube channel, Dr. Farooq Baloch Business, AI and Research, I am putting too much effort. I have added over 500 videos to guide my students that how AI is going to replace this thing. It's a huge thing, and definitely without skills you will not survive. Without skills you will not be required. I work on YouTube, so I can with 100% what with my experience I can tell you that all the videos of copyright strikes, all the community strikes, all the 4 billion users are being handled by AI agents. So similarly, your TikTok, your every other app is being operated. Otherwise, the operations of Alibaba, Jesse Penny, Walmart, and bigger companies are being handled by these agents. And I have been the advisor of a lot of startups. For example, I worked with the Smart Ends Belgium. I guided them. I guided the Musk Foundation in Saudi Arabia, and Automata, a company in USA. So I can see what live commerce is going to do, and how these agents are going to create a totally different ecosystem. There's no need to worry, obviously. There is no need to worry at all, because whatever I'm saying is going to create more jobs. As I told you that there will be two type of employees, the agents, the dogs, and the humans. So humans will always be required. So that's all. And if you want to learn more, you must follow my YouTube channel, Dr. Farooq Baloch Business, AI and Research. I'm putting a lot of effort to kind of make sense of the future ecosystem, to guide you through my detailed books, to guide you through my detailed videos. I'm not a person that focuses much on shorter thing, because it's difficult to communicate something in 1 second. You do not understand the things in a deeper way. So if you see most of my videos, they're 10 minutes above, and you will find all the videos extremely useful. Thank you so much.